What's up, guys? Birdie's in labor right now. She's in labor. I think she might be in stage 2. I don't really know. Hard to tell. Hi, Birdie. Are you okay? You're on leave. So she's been in there for a little bit. Yeah. I think she's in labor. My mom said she's in labor, so I think no yet. There's no stock there. So it's raining outside. No going outside for the puppies. If they actually arrive. So this is gonna be. You want to eat it? It's gonna be a cool video. You ready to get birth? The thing about wiener dogs are that you can't tell when they're pregnant. Sometimes you can barely tell if they're pregnant. I'm gonna give birth to like 20. What's wrong, Birdie? Why are you here? I need to tell Mommy he's all the poison at the gate. Mommy?
Yes.
You know Kate's closet?
Yeah.
She's out of the closet in her room.
She'll go in and out.
Okay, she's out of the whole room now.
Yeah. They pace. Thank you.
Yeah, she'll mind for a little bit.
Okay. Now this is good to know. You just followed me right now. It's okay, Birdie. Where are you, bud? Birdie. Birdie, where are you? It's okay. You're all okay. Birdie. All okay. Been here somewhere? Come in. Okay. You still have something. Actually, you want to play right now, too. Come down. It's so cold. They now recognize it. Now I know that they're pregnant. Look at that belly. It's okay. Who's the father? Who's the father? Gil's boy. He got a girl dog from like 30 miles away, like 35 miles away from our house, and she got her pregnant. She gave birth. Now Birdie's giving birth. Who got you messed up, bud? Who got you messed up? It's okay, bud. Oh. It might come out soon. Anyway, when Nova gave birth to the kitties, it was on Grant's bed. Might be on Key's bed, mine. However she was comfortable in. Most of them like my room. I haven't had them give birth on my bed yet. I might if we don't keep the gate shut. Mine's gone. Birdie, what's wrong? What's wrong? You okay? You okay? You okay? You in late? Oh, I dropped the cone. You okay, Birdie? It's okay, Birdie. Oh, it's okay. Hey. It's okay. I think she might be in labor. He's a good girl. Come on, Birdie. He's okay. You let her be comfortable. Dogs, get away. She sees you. Not that one. Birdie, I think she saw you. Wait, she eats a dog, not a cat. I'm done. Mom. Okay, so. Oh my god. I can't. I don't even know who got her. Who fucked with her. I don't know who fucked with her. Like, who fucked with her? Who fucked with you? She was on there. Who fucked you? Who did you fuck with? Like, I don't even know how she's pregnant. We're in labor right now. Like, how? So we should start leaving. You might not feel. I swear no. If no one got pregnant again from another boy, because no one sneaked out and got pregnant. So yeah. So I swear, if you get this question, nobody looks pregnant, kinda. We're gonna have a fun time on Saturday. We'll be checking on Birdie, having a fun time. Birdie, we'll be checking on her. Okay? Stacks, no. Stacks. Stacks, no. No, no, no. Bye, bud. No. No, no, no. Stay in. Stay in. Stay in. Stay in. Stay in, guys. Stay in. Stay in. There you go. So, as far as labor, I just got home from school. And that Stephen told Mommy she'd been lying for a long time. Lying for like, he said like 9 hours. Everywhere. In the candle, out the candle, on the ground, in the air. Upstairs, downstairs, basement. Yeah. It's raining, by the way.